Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to buy an Amazon gift card directly from the gift card section. If you want to send a gift card to someone or simply purchase one for yourself, this process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, log into your Amazon account and open the gift card section. Once you're there, you'll see different options for managing your gift cards, such as checking your balance, redeeming a gift card, or reloading your balance. Now, scroll down and browse through the available gift card options. You may see different designs and categories, including birthday cards and other gift options. Select the Amazon gift card you want to purchase. Once you open the gift card, choose the amount you want to add. Depending on the card, you may be able to select a preset amount or enter a custom amount. Next, enter the recipient's email address or other delivery information if required. You can also add a personal message if you want to include one with the gift card. Before completing your purchase, review the card amount, recipient information, and delivery details to make sure everything is correct. Then, click the Purchase or Checkout button and follow the instructions to complete your order. And that's it. Your Amazon gift card has been purchased and will be delivered using the option you selected. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy Amazon and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.